how to switch from regular Wix to Wix Studio. So what we want to do is go to Google and just search for Wix Studio, Google search, and we want to open up this first link. So Wix Studio, the web platform built for agencies and enterprises. Now if we scroll down here, you will see start creating. Once we click on it, it's going to show us this. So if we want to use the platform for agencies and freelancers here, we can build sites on a different editor. We can create and collaborate with a team. We can get solutions made for professionals, so on and so forth. If we click on get started here, then this will actually convert over our Wix account to Wix Studio. And if you want to opt out at any moment here, you will hover up to settings, then you will go to workspace settings here, go all the way down, click on find out more, and check this. I understand that I will lose access to all studio features, leave Wix Studio, and this is going to give you back your regular Wix account, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.